Good morning, students. Our topic for today is about the histology of the parathyroid gland. The parathyroid glands are four small ovoid masses derived from pharyngeal pouches. It is located at the back of the thyroid gland, one at each end of upper and lower poles embedded in the larger gland's capsule. Each measures 3 by 6 millimeters with a total weight of zero point 0.4 grams. Each parathyroid gland has capsule which sends septa into the gland where they merge with reticular fibers. And with increasing age, secretory cells are replaced with adipocytes. There are two types of cells in the parathyroid gland: the chief cells or principal cells and the oxyphil cells. The chief cells are small polygonal cells with round nuclei and pale staining, slightly acidophilic cytoplasm. The chief cells appear densely packed cords of small cells. The cytoplasm of chief cells is filled with irregularly shaped granules containing parathyroid hormone. The second type, the oxyphil cells, are common among elderly and larger than principal cells with acidophilic cytoplasm and abnormally shaped mitochondria. They are non-functional with low to no parathyroid hormone synthesis activity. This picture shows to you the chief cells, which are small polygonal cells with round nuclei and pale staining cytoplasm. These are the oxyphil cells, which are larger than principal cells and have acidophilic cytoplasm. This is another picture showing you the chief cells, which are small polygonal cells with round nuclei and pale staining cytoplasm. These are the oxyphil cells, which are larger than principal cells and have acidophilic cytoplasm. The hormone that is produced by the parathyroid gland is parathyroid hormone, which is an important regulator of calcium levels. Parathyroid hormone increases blood calcium level by targeting the three organs. In the bones, it stimulates osteoclast activity resulting to bone resorption, which results to increased concentration of calcium in the blood. In the distal convoluted tubules of renal cortex, parathyroid hormone stimulates calcium reabsorption while inhibiting phosphate reabsorption. So parathyroid hormone increases calcium level and decreases phosphate level. And parathyroid hormone indirectly increases calcium reabsorption in the small intestine by stimulating vitamin D activation. And now let's try to identify some structures. Identify the cells or structure. If your answer is follicular cells for A, parathyroid gland for B, colloid for C, and parafollicular cells for D, then you got everything right. How about this? Identify the cells. If you answer oxyphil cell for A and chief cell for B, then you are right. And that's the end of our lecture.